Hello everyone, Ben here from Upstate Iron. Today we're going to be looking at the comically small Mowett Mustang lawnmower. I currently have the mower deck and blade off of it just because the blade for the mower deck is bolted to the crankshaft of the engine. So as soon as you start the engine, the blade starts rotating. Um, this is a fun little mower I like to take to shows, to drive around in so I don't tire myself walking. It is quite uncomfortable to drive, especially someone of my size. But it's one heck of a conversation piece. People love to see it at the shows. It's definitely different from the wheel horses, Simplicities, John Deeres, so on and so forth that you normally see at garden tractor shows, hit miss engine shows, antique farm equipment shows. So I'm going to start it up here and drive it around and show you how it's like to drive it. One speed forward and one speed reverse. You can even drive it slow. I enjoy it, although it does get rather uncomfortable to drive after a while. Anyway, thank you for watching.